Macaroon.
Macaroons.
Macaroon. Four macaroons.
Look at that.
One for each of us.
Oh, here. You want this? Like you want like a wristband? Make a wristband? Oh, okay.
Wow.
Yeah, garbage boy.
Garbage boy.
Garbage
I'm not
boy.
throwing this out.
Alright, pass the macaroon.
Alright, pick. I feel like they're gonna fall out.
All right,
Pick your color.
I'll take a vanilla one.
Alright, cameraman, hold on. I need to get you one. Spectator. Pick a macaroon. Any macaroon.
Literally.
Alright.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers, boys.
Macroons.
Macaroon.
That was a really weird texture.
Wow, that was not what I was expecting at all.
Ah, that's weird.
I've had hundreds of macaroons before.
This strawberry.
It's good, but that was super unexpected.
I like it a
strawberry
lot.
one is too much.
I expected this to be like crunchy. It's like chewy.
Holy shit.
I
With the cream.
don't have much to say because
That's like so sugary.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's very sweet.
Oh, it's so sweet.
It's very sweet.
I like it.
Man. Fuck that.
Pussy.
I would not eat this again. That's okay, but I would not.
It's just entirely made of minerals.
I wouldn't.
The vanilla one was so much nicer. That strawberry one was fucking gross.
I like the strawberry one. Ratings, boys?
I wouldn't go out of my way to eat that again. I'd give that like a 3 out of 5.
Half a Halo 2.
Give it 4 out of 5. Why not? It's
What
good.
the fuck is...
I'm immune. I've eaten hundreds of macaroons.
Next up, what we got?
Alright, so, I've heard legends about this product.
Oh,
It's pretty like vinegary, but not that much, alright? It's an underground. From the underground dungeon 7-Eleven, Twisted Dill Pickled Pretzels. The fuck are you saying yummy for? You sound like dumbasses.
Stupid. Give us the food.
I'm taking a sip of the crystal.
Intern, you don't.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Ah! Hey, alright, well, here, take it.
I'll get one.
No, Edon's done. Just leave him out of it.
Pickle.
Can I get a pickle?
How's that?
Tastes like pickles, I guess.
Mine's going It's just vinegar pretzel.
Dude, it's so
Sorry, I'm good now.
dude. Like, why do pickled pretzels taste so accurate? Like, there's like
Really,
direct.
any product that's flavored like pickles.
It's like dead on every fucking time.
I'm revived. Pickles saved me.
I held my hand on it.
I kind of like that, but I kind of hate that at the same time.
The aftertaste is strange.
I'll give that a 2 out of 5. It revived me, so I'll give it a point. But other than that,
It's not
that's
that-
gross. I don't like pickles all that much.
What you call it? You know, like what you call it?
I didn't get the right pretzel.
What's it called?
Oh, the rate the pretzel. Yeah.
It's nothing crazy. 1 out of 5.
1.5 Halo 2s.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Garbage.
Anyways, intern, fuck you.
What?
I know you had a great suggestion that because we forgot we're stupid. But anyways, what you call it?
I don't know what
Whatchamacallit?
You don't ask me.
So do we just like whatchamacallit? You know?
Whatchamacallit? What are you?
Whatchamacallit? Anyway, we're just gonna break this up. Oh my god, it's like a solid chunk.
That was unexpected.
Just take a piece off. Yeah, rip pieces off. Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Here, take one off.
This is Polish military ration.
It is not Polish at all. There's nothing. This is just stupid American.
Here you go, cameraman.
consumerism.
You have it, cameraman. I don't want this shit. I don't want
This is
two
just
pieces.
stupid American consumerism.
tastes
But
good.
anyways, oh, it tastes fucking great. Holy
It's
shit.
like a crunch bar with a Snickers bar.
I've never been into candy bars, but this is pretty decent.
That's fucking good.
Ratings? Or we got more to say?
I literally have not much other to say than like, that's actually kind of good.
It tastes like a candy bar.
Tastes like a candy bar. 4 out of 5.
3 Halo 2s. That's pretty good.
3 out of 5.
There could be
Nothing
better though.
crazy.
But anyways, we're gonna take a look into Japanese culture real quick. We're gonna step our way
Ah, fuck. I
into
forgot I
the.
bought this.
You didn't buy shit. You didn't fucking buy shit. You were saying.
Next item.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Anyways, we're gonna take a little dive into what samurai eat. I think, like samurai Japanese, right? right? Wasabi counts, right? Yeah.
I know a
You
guy.
understand,
I know a
right?
guy.
It's totally
He's
Japanese,
yeah.
right? Like, this is Japanese, right? Don't look where it's from. No, it's wasabi. It's wasabi, guys. Nope, it's wasabi. It's Japanese.
I know a guy.
Half a Halo 2
in your
once
pants
again.
or something.
This is not a good episode.
Here you go.
A lot of low score.
It's your problem though.
So what's
Alright.
next?
This next one. It's taken from a place of fantasy and magic and friendship or some bullshit. Anyways, this
How do
is
you
like
know this preemptively?
Were you there?
I'm not gonna question it.
Boys, the crystal's going down. I don't know if you noticed that.
Holy shit! All right, we gotta split this up.
holy shit, the crystal. We're running low on time. Fuck, look, it's liquidating, bro.
3 days.
The crystal is liquidizing, bro.
3 days and the moon crashes into the earth.
Is this where you open it? Or do I just open it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god. Holy shit.
I don't like that reaction. I do not like that reaction.
Ah!
It's tie-dye popcorn.
Oh!
Oh.
That's crazy.
Oh no!
Holy shit.
Oh, that's.
Take a handful. Don't take one, pussy. Take a handful.
You gotta take it. Oh, that's hard. It's like candy coated.
Sniff that shit right now. It smells like
dude, I can smell
It smells synthetic.
no,
This
what's
is
that?
made of
Tricks.
fucking-
It smells like tricks.
Yeah, dude, it's unicorn shit.
It's unicorn shit. Yeah.
Ow, it's so hard. What the
That's
fuck?
strange.
It's literally. Ugh.
Why does it taste like cereal?
It's a candy coated popcorn. Oh, that's gross.
It's
I didn't
not-
just eat another. It's fucking disgusting. No, it's not like.
No, it's not gross. It just tastes like cereal, but it's like weird.
It's really,
weird.
shitty cereal.
Like, it's just like Captain Crunch all berry.
Oh my
Holy
god.
shit.
Holy shit, you're right. This
I
is.
think it tastes a lot like tricks.
That too.
Yeah, wow.
Holy shit.
Wow. I'll give it a
All right.
2 out of 5.
All right. Next, we take a look.
Ratings.
Sorry, bro.
Forgetting.
Anyways, two Halo 2s. All right, next. This is actually probably the
Fucking-
second to last one.
wow.
As if I could feel around my bag of magic.
1 out of 5.
Green shit. Bitch!
You didn't let me rate. You interrupted me.
Intern?
No, don't call me that. That's under meaning.
I'm gonna undermine my balls in your mouth.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're taking a look
You're some of the-
from a land of
it's right
zeros.
next.
No heroes, all
right, shit,
zeros,
it's like under your
all a
chin.
bunch of bitch boys.
No more heroes.
No more heroes, all zero.
I'm scared. This is like something that like.
Caramel, peanut, almond, nougat covered in white fudge.
Oh.
Can I see it? Can I see it? Let me hold it. This looks like airport branded candy.
It does. It looks like an airport. It looks like medicinal.
Looks like it'll taste like an airport.
It does.
Just steal.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
What the fuck?
Oh. Come on.
This is how Superman got his
You
powers.
can smell it.
It smells an awful lot like cum.
No, it doesn't, dipshit.
It smells like chocolate.
It smells
It's
like
got
white
no chocolate in it at all.
I hate it.
It's got zero chocolate.
That's
Alright, give me a
that's
chunk, I guess.
Oh, that's just weird.
Cum covered poop.
Oh, dude.
It's cum poop.
Oh.
Dude, cum poop?
Oh, the texture's weird. It just tastes like
Oh.
bro, is that kind of
Bombs up.
Oh, the aftertaste. Oh, fuck.
It's super chewy.
Oh.
Oh, the aftertaste, bro. Fuck. Oh, God, the aftertaste. Oh, shit. It was all okay. It tasted like a shitty Tootsie Roll, but then...
Okay, now it
Oh.
gets aftertaste.
Ah.
Why? Why did we do
Ah.
this?
When you're done with it.
Oh, that's not good.
It tastes like an airport.
It tastes like an airport.
It really does. Fuck. How is?
1 moped out of 5 airplanes. That was disgusting.
Holy shit.
1 turbine engine.
Can I give like negative Halo 2s? Is that possible? Yeah.
Anything's possible.
-3.
Halo Reach.
Oh,
Halo Reach. Fuck you.
bruh.
Go like Halo 5 or something. That's a bad one.
Word.
Like
I can't
3
make
Halo
this.
5s. Terrible. Sucks.
Like imagine an airline. what I
No,
rated.
like imagine like a really shitty American airline. Like a really like dirty one.
With dust mites. That's how dirty it is.
No.
Disgusting. Most
Not nice.
disgusting.
So
I rate that
you guys
a,
ever... Oh, yeah, right. You gotta rate your shit.
Let me think of
Sorry, fella.
4 columns out of 6.
You already rated it.
I did.
You did? You rated it twice?
Can't fucking
What was the
comprehend
first
this
one
shitting.
then? If I rated it
1 turbine engine out of 4 or some dumb shit.
No.
You were the one that was like moped. No, who said that? Whatever.
That's it.
I said the moped.
Okay.
Whatever.
So, you guys ever pickle shit before? Because I went to the pickle dimension and they got some weird pickled shit. Like, this is like, dude, you can pickle a pickle, but...
Is that where you got the pretzels?
We didn't get this shit.
No.
This shit just
no.
spawned with us.
If you looked at the packaging...
Is that where the pickles are from? The pickled pretzels? Are they from
they're from the...
Why would they be...
They're from the 7-Eleven dungeon, you dipshit.
I wasn't there!
This is also from the 7-Eleven dungeon, actually.
You just said it was from Pickleville or whatever.
Fuck this bit!
Fuck you. No.
Oh yeah! Our favorite segment of the show. The Pickle Hour.
Favorite segment of the show.
Pickle Hour.
And then
Pickle
applause.
Hour.
Pickled Carrots, baby.
Alright, okay.
And then a cue applause.
Oh, fuck, bro. That was like a...
That was like a fucking bomb.
Holy...
Oh, dude.
Oh, fuck me, dude. Oh, shit.
Look inside. Is it wet? Smell it. Are you sure you want to do this?
Oh, I'm crunching still.
Oh god.
That's gross. That's fucking nasty.
Cheers, boys.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, dude, I fucked. Oh, I don't even want to touch it. It's like fucking. Oh, it's like sweet.
I swallowed it.
Oh, that's like. Oh.
Who enjoys this?
Who is this made for? Who is this marketed towards?
Who actually willingly wants that?
Who would willingly eat that?
This fucking zombies.
That was the
Just
shit.
throw that out. Like, I don't even want to
entirely. No one's taking
Fuck
that.
that.
Oh, that's gross.
Fuck that, dude.
Who is this marketed towards? Like, that was like the shittiest brine known to man. Ugh.
I mean,
I'm
what
having
did we
another sip
expect?
of the
It wasn't.
crystal.
It wasn't. Oh fuck.
I'm immune to the effects.
Hey, you the crystal taste any good?
Yeah, it's pretty decent actually.
All right. I thought drinking that would bring us out of here again.
You would think so. You would think so.
If it's not that, what can it do?
Who's to say? Ratings for the pickle. Negative
Fucking
infinity.
Negative everything. That's
positive
actually
infinity.
probly the worst thing we've had.
That is by far
That
the
is
worst
like actually the
food
worst
item I've ever
like,
consumed.
That might be the worst thing we've had.
It's probably marketed towards the Huns.
Even the Huns have enough decency to
Yeah.
eat this. Are you kidding me?
Like it's given to them, but they just put it to the side.
It's
bro,
for decoration.
Bro,
that
it's
should smell rancid. Holy shit.
bro, it's for the fucking dude. It's for like really fucking desperate people.
Next episode of Food Review: pickled beaver tail.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, and then the beaver that we
We should
killed.
just do pickled shit.
No!
No,
I don't
no,
want to
no,
do it.
no,
Actually,
no.
I can't.
No.
Wait, the crystal.
Oh shit.
Yeah. What does this mean?
It's like It's like entirely melted.
Is it like an hourglass situation?
Are we at?
Are we
Finally
finally
out of this shithole again.
We might be out of time. I guess. I don't entirely know myself.
But like, That's a good thing. We're finally out of the shithole again. Again.
We can't be
come
free.
back eventually.
Well, we'll come back eventually. That's the universal
who
constant.
knows what's gonna happen to this thing?
Who fucking honestly like?
Maybe it'll. I can't say anything.
We'll probably end up back here again. There's a solid chance of that.
Who knows if we'll end up back here?
I don't fucking.
We might. We'll end up in the same scenario.
This place fucking sucks.
Every single time it happens.
There's no positives about this place ever.
Suck.
Don't get yourself involved in this, viewers at home.